Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today I will explain you exercise 4.2 of chapter 4, that is simple equation. So now we'll solve question number 4, and question number 4 is the last question for exercise 4.2. Okay. So friends, question number 4 is solve the following equations. A is 10p is equals to 100. So basically here we have to not give the steps. Okay, we have to just simply solve this. Okay, so here the variable is p, and now we have to find the value of p. Okay, so the value for p is, here is 10. Okay, here is only one number which is 10. Okay, and here we can write 10 multiplied by p. Okay, so 10 multiplied by p, that means 10 is having sign of multiplication, and when this 10 will move to right hand side, this will be divide sign. This will carry divide sign. Okay, 10 will carry divide sign. That means 100 upon 10. Okay, 100 upon 10. Okay, so here this 0 and this 0 cancel out, which is equals to 10. So we can write it as p is equals to 10. The value for p is 10. Okay, so we have solved the answer of a bit. So let's proceed to b bit. So friends, b bit is 10p plus 10 is equals to 100. The same question is here also, but here is plus 10 extra. Okay, so here also we have to find the value for p. So p is equals to, first we will move 10. Okay, first 10 will move to right hand side, and then here 10p, that means multiplied sign, will go to right hand side. Okay, so first this plus 10 will move to right hand side, and here is 100. Okay, done, 100, and here is plus 10. So if plus 10 will move to right hand side, this will be minus 10. Okay, plus 10 will be minus 10. So 100 minus 10 is equals to, wait a minute, yeah, 100 minus 10 is equals to 90. Okay, so yeah, now also we will find the value for p, because 90 is not the exact answer. Okay, and see friends, here the last one is 10p. So 10p is in multiplication sign. So if 10p will move to right hand side, this will be 90. This value we will took. Okay, 90 upon 10. Here 10 is in multiplication sign, and when 10 will move to right hand side, this will carry divide sign. Okay, so 0 0 cancel out. Okay, and only 9 is left here. So the answer for b bit will be 9. Okay, p is equals to 9. Done. So friends, let's move to C bit. So friends, C bit is P upon 4 is equals to 5. So here is only one number, which is 4, and 4 is having the, yeah, 4 is having the sign of division. See here, divide by 4. That means 4 is having the sign of division. So when 4 will move to right hand side, this will carry multiply sign. Okay, so our answer for p will be 5 multiplied by 4. Okay, 5 multiplied by 4. So 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 20. So the value for p variable will be 20. Okay, so friends, by this we have solved this C bit also. So let's move to D bit. So friends, D bit is minus p upon 3, which is equals to 5. Now here p is in minus sign and 3 is in which sign? Division sign. Okay, in the previous question also 4 was in division sign. So the same formula we will put here also. Okay, so here 3 is in division form, so when 3 will move to right hand side, this will be multiplied by 5. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15. Okay, 5 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 15. So now friends, see here, the value for p will be, here p is in minus sign, right? Here p is in minus sign, so that means it is carrying minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So yeah, here is minus p also, that means it is indicating that the answer will be in minus sign. Okay, our value for p will be in minus sign, so just simply we have to put it 15. Okay, here was our solution, which is 15. Okay, and see in the question here it is indicating that our our value for p will be in negative sign. Okay, not in positive sign, so simply we'll put the negative sign before our variable, no, not our variable, before the value. Okay, so yeah, simply I have put minus sign before 15. 15 is my solution, and I have just put the negative sign. Okay, so friends, let's move to e beat. So friends, e beat is 3p upon 4, which is equals to 6. Okay, so this is the real equation. In the previous one we were doing this simple equation. Okay, so this is little bit tough, but not very much. Okay, just use your brain. So 3p upon 4 is equals to 6. So first divide by 4. Okay, first divide by 4 will go to right hand side. No, divide by 4 will go at the last. Okay, so first we will move 3p to right hand side. Okay, so the value for p will be, so if 3p will move to right hand side, this will be upon 3. Okay, here 3 is in multiplication sign, and when this 3 will move to right hand side, this will be carrying division sign. Okay, and this divide by 4 we will use at last. Okay, so p is equals to 6 upon 3, as we have discussed now. Okay, so here this will be cancelled out by 2 times, so 2 is the last solution, not last, it is our first solution. So yeah, okay, done. P is equals to, here our solution is 2. Okay, and here now we have to do upon 4. Okay, this upon 4 will move to right hand side. If you will use this means let me show you. If here you will took this also, that means 6, and when this upon 4 will move to right hand side, this will be multiplied by 4. Okay, not an issue. So this upon 4 will move to right hand side, and this will carry multiplication sign. So 6 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 24. Okay, 24. So we have to not use this number. We have to also always use this number at the last, because this number is carrying a variable. So at the last we can touch this variable number. Okay, but in the starting we can't touch it. Okay, at the last, yeah, we can simply solve it, but this 3p at the rest. Okay, 3p will be at the rest. Okay, and at last we will use this 3p. Okay, so just see here, 6 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 24. Okay, so now we have got the answer 24. So now p is equals to, again this is in black color. So yeah, here is 3p. Okay, that means 3 multiplied by p. So when this 3p will move to right hand side, this will change its sign, and this 3p will carry division sign. So here our last solution was 24, and now 3p is moving to right hand side, so we can write it as upon 3. Okay, now here is 3. Yeah, here 3 is having sign of division. Okay, as you can see here in my screen. Okay, so 24 upon 3, that is equals to 8. Okay, this yeah, 24 and 3 will be cancelled out. 3 multiplied by 8 is equals to 24. Okay, so the value for p is equals to 8. Okay, p is equals to 8. And if you want to do this, that means 3p will move to this. First we will move 3p to right hand side, and at the last we will use divide by 4. Okay, so if you want to try it, yeah, you may. So let me solve it. If you want to try, okay, it's okay. So 3p upon 4, which is equals to 6, and if you are using this variable number first, so yeah, let me show you. 3p upon 4 is equals to 6, and yeah, here first we will move to 3. Okay, 3p. So here 3 is in multiplication form. When 3 will move to right hand side, this will be p is equals to 3 upon, no, not 3 upon, p is equals to 6 upon 3. Okay, 6 upon 3. So if this will be cancelled out, this will form 2, right? And now p is equals to, here is upon 4. When upon 4 will move to right hand side, this will be multiplied by 4. Okay, so our last solution was 2. That means 2 multiplied by 4, which is equals to, yeah, multiplied by 4, which is equals to 8. So here also you are getting the variable, no, the value 8 only. Yeah, you can use this number also, but you can see here that this is not the correct way. Okay, this is not the correct way of doing simple equation, or this is not the correct method. See, here you are using the number of variable first, which is wrong. Okay, you should not do it. This, our first method is correct for this. And yeah, you may get marks in this second method also, but yeah, I think so you will get half marks. And if you are doing this correct method, you may get full mark. Okay, yeah, you will get full mark, but this is the wrong method of doing. Okay, both the answer are coming same, but see here the method are opposites. Okay, okay, so don't do this, don't use this method. First move to the this natural number only. This means which is not having any variable. Okay, see, 3 is having any variable, which is p, so we can use it at last also. Okay, so don't do this method, or don't use this method. Simply write first method. Okay, so our answer for e bit will be, yeah, the answer for e bit will be 8. So let's proceed to f bit. So friends, f bit is 3s is equals to minus 9. Okay, so here the variable is s, so s is equals to, yeah, here is 3. So yes, we have to use 3 because there is no other value. That means here is no plus 6, or yeah, minus 5 or minus 7. There is no other. So yeah, we have to use 3s only. Okay, so the value for s is equals to, so when 3 will move to right hand side, which sign will 3 carry? Answer in the comment. So friends, 3 will carry division sign. Okay, here 3 is in multiplication sign. When 3 will move to right hand side, this will be upon 3. Okay, so our answer will be upon, yeah, minus 9 upon 3, which is equals to, this will be cancelled out by minus 3. 3 multiplied by minus 3, which is equals to minus 9. Okay, so our answer for f bit will be minus 3. Okay, so s is equals to minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 is the answer for f beat. So let's proceed to g beat. So friends, g beat is 3s plus 12, which is equals to 0. Okay, so here 3 is having the variable s, and here also we have to find the value for s only. Okay, so 3s plus 12 is equals to 0. So value for s is equals to, first we will move to 12. Okay, first 12 will move to right hand side, which will be 0. 12 will have the sign of minus because 12 had shifted to right hand side. Okay, so this will be minus 12, which is equals to minus 12, right? Okay, so now we will move to 3. Okay, at last I am moving to 3. So s is equals to, s is equals to minus 12. Here is 3 multiplied by s. So when 3 will move to right hand side, this will be upon 3. Okay, that means minus 12 upon 3, which is equals to how much? Minus 4. Okay, minus 4. So our value for s will be minus 4. Okay, so friends, let's proceed to h beat. So friends, h beat is very simple to do. So what is h beat? H beat is 3s is equals to 0. So here also we have to find the value for s, which is 0. Okay, s is equals to 0. And see, if we will move to 3 to right hand side, this will be upon 3. Okay, because 3 is having the sign of multiplication. So when 3 will move to right hand side, this will have the sign for of division. Okay, so 0 divided by 3, which is equals to 0. Okay, 0 multiplied by 3, 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. Okay, so the value for s is equals to 0. You can blindly answer this question very easily. Okay, so friends, let's proceed to I beat. So friends, I beat is 2q is equals to 6. So here we have to find the value for q. Okay, q is equals to 6, and when 2 will move to right hand side, this will be upon 2 because 2 is having the sign of multiplication. So 6 upon 2, which is equals to 3. So the value for q will be 3. Okay, 3 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 6. Okay, so 3 will be the answer for I beat. And if you want to check that whether your answer is correct or not, so instead of q, you can write your own answer. That means this was your answer 3. So I have wrote here 3 and 2. We will do 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, our question was 2 multiplied by q, so we will do 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. Yeah, our answer is correct. Okay, so let me rearrange it. Q. Okay, so answer is 3 for I beat. So let's proceed to J beat. So friends, J beat is 2q minus 6 is equals to 0. So here we have to find the value for q. So q is equals to, first minus 6 will move to right hand side. So if minus 6 will move to right hand side, 6 will carry positive sign, okay? So that means 0 plus 6 is equals to 6, okay? So here q is equals to, here is 2q, 2q, that means 2 multiplied by q. So here 2 is having the sign of multiplication, and when this 2 will move to right hand side, this 2 will have the sign of division, okay? So that means our last answer was 6. So now 6 divided by 2, okay? So this 6 and 2 will be cancelled out by 3. 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, okay? So the value for q is equals to 3, okay? So 3 is the appropriate answer for J beat. So let's move to K beat. So friends, K beat is 2q plus 6 is equals to 0. I think this both answer are equal, but no. Here in the previous question, 6 was having the sign of negative, and here 6 is having the sign of positive. Okay. So here q is equals to 0 minus 6, okay? Here when 6 will move to right hand side, 6 will have the sign of minus, okay? So 0 minus 6 is equals to minus 6. So now q is equals to, here 2 is having sign of multiplication, and when 2q will move to right hand side, this will have the sign of division upon 2, okay? Or divide by 2. So our last answer was minus 6. So minus 6 upon 2 is equals to minus 3, okay? Minus 3 multiplied by 2, which is equals to minus 6, okay? So the answer for k bit, yeah, the answer for k bit will be minus 3, okay? So friends, let's move to L bit. So friends, L bit is 2q plus 6 is equals to 12, okay? So here also we have to find the value for q only, okay? So 12 is, I mean q is equals to 12, and here is plus 6, and when plus 6 will move to right hand side, this will be negative 6. That means 12 minus 6, okay? So 12 minus 6 is equals to 6. So here q is equals to, here 2 is in multiplication form, and same when this 2 will move to right hand side, this will be upon 2 or divide by 2, okay? So our last answer was 6. So 6 upon 2, okay? We will simply add upon 2. So 6 upon 2 is equals to 3, okay? So 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6, okay? So q is equals to 3. So friends, the answer for L bit will be 3, okay? So friends, by this we have completed question number 4 as well as exercise 4.2, okay? So friends, now I'm ending my video here only. I hope you have learned everything, okay? So if you have any query regarding exercise 4.2, you may ask in the comment box, okay? So thank you everyone for watching my video. Stay safe and bye bye.